I just received this amzchef espresso machine. It's very neat, and it can do a steam, and you can do a latte, cappuccino, and it's come with this espresso bin receiver, and then you have this one that you can push the powder down to make that espresso. So see how fine the powder, because I got this amzchef espresso grinder or coffee grinder, depending on what I'm setting. But anyway, so let's see how this one works. I'm going to put this one in here and then make sure I locked it. Okay, so now I'm going to collect double shot espresso. Color, creamy and beautiful and rich. That's the espresso machine that I'm looking for a long time, and this one worked perfect, and that means it's ready. So that is, oh my god, look at that color, look at how beautiful, how rich. So I'm going to pour that one in there. As you can see, look at that. Sorry for the mess. So look at that color. That's the espresso you wanted. And now I'm going to steam the milk. So let's see. We are going to, first of all, I'm going to put this one to the knob all the way to here, so that you know that one is for steam. You are going to click the button, which one hand is difficult for steam. And then this the knob. Oops. It's going to be hard, but we will see. Okay. One more time. And you got to manually to turn it off. So now I have this beautiful latte pour in there. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Okay, so this is the machine that we received. I'm using the 2-shot espresso. This is the one where we use to lift coffee out. It comes with a little brush. This I purchased on my own, but once the machine is plugged in and all the lights are turned on, we can then insert our wand into the lock button. And the lock marks how far you can go, so it's not going to go further. Put it on top. So we use the 2 shots. Like that.
Shining in your eyes, right? As if